guys, welcome to Fulton County Library System. My name is Kiran and today I'm going to show you how can we make soft, colorful and stretchy slime at home in just few minutes in Maker's Wednesday. So let's get started with this science activity with so much fun. Let's get started. So first thing first, I will just grab the glue and pouring the glue into the bowl. Just take any plastic bowl from your kitchen and I'm using about 4 ounces of glue here. And after that I will add the glitter. It's completely optional. So if you don't want to add the glitter, it's perfectly fine. But I really like shiny, so I'm going to add this glitter here. And after that I will just add white glitter also. Now let's just see the color I'm going to add. It's green, so I'm adding lots of green here because I want dark green color of my slime. And now Tide is going in. Okay, keep stirring the mixture. It's really important, and don't add more Tide till the time we make sure everything is mixed. Now I'm adding more Tide into the bowl and it should look something like this. And I think I need some more Tide. So I add it and now keep mixing all the ingredients and see how it looks like. So I still see threads. Do you see the threads in the bowl? And these threads, I really want them to just go away because in the slimes we should not see these threads. I think I have to add more Tide here because there are so many threads in the slime right now. So we will go ahead and add more Tide to it. Not a lot, just slow. Adding any kind of ingredient and little by little. So I'm keep doing this, keep kneading my slime, and it's all coming together for the design. So as you can see here, I'm trying to dab the corners of the slime. You can make any other shape and you can use any other kitchen tools for the designs. Kids can use plastic spatula for mixing and making designs. And here my green sun is almost ready. It's smiling, very happy. Slime is so soft, so pretty, and full of energy. In this part of the video, I'm going to quickly show you how can you fix your sticky slime. So following the same process, in the glue I'm adding the food color and then just adding little bit of Tide, not much. Kids do that at home. They usually add lot of glue and they don't use Tide a lot because they think adding Tide will make the slime sticky, which is not the case. So glue is the ingredient which makes the slime sticky. So after adding glue and glitter and food color, I'm gonna add Tide, but not a lot because this is gonna be a sticky slime and we are gonna fix it by adding Tide at the end. So I'm stirring this, just a little Tide. I'm doing this purposely because I want to show you. Oh my god, this is gonna be so sticky. Look at this. This is so messy. But we are gonna fix it by adding the Tide and rolling the slime, which is kind of an exercise for the slime to fix it. Look at this. This is still sticky though, but we will again do the rolling part and fix the slime. So I'm gonna just keep on doing this to make my slime better for good results. And it's all coming together. It's not sticking anymore on my hands and not even on the table. It's a glass table, so it's not sticking here. which is completely great. I'm gonna put them in the plastic container and a glass container, whatever you have at home, and this way they don't get dry up. I will put them in the refrigerator, and whenever my kids wants to play with them, they can take them out and make their favorite shapes. So you see this? This is so ready. All slimes, pinkish and green slime, they're going in the refrigerator at this point. Done. Slime making can also be one of your chemistry project because it's a very good example of chemical reaction. If you're interested to check out ebooks about slime making with different materials and other ways, go to our website for Hoopla and Libby. Thank you so much for joining me today. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. Take care. Bye.